There are songs that fall into the campfire classic category, open chords, steady strums, and everybody's happy. Then there are songs that look like campfire songs, but if you want them to really shine, they need a bit more attention. Wild World lives right there. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Simple structure, open chords, one main groove the whole way through, but the feel, those catchy melodic runs, are what take it up a level to listen to and to play. We're going to build a solid strummer version first, the chords and rhythm, strong foundation. At that point, we'll be nicely warmed up and we can add in the 5 licks and runs that really make this brain and ear food. Before we even touch the chords, we need to talk about the groove. We're going to isolate the rhythm by muting the strings. We're in 4/4. We have a down, 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 up pattern. To give it more feel, there's an accent on 3. We'll play that together 4 times in a row to warm us up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Let's build the I Just Want to Sing This and Nothing Too Hard version. The chords we need for the entire song are mostly open chords you will have met before, with a couple of slightly spicier cousins. A minor, D7, G, C, F. If you're not bar chord ready, play F over C instead. We then have a D minor, an E, add the pinky for an E sus4, and finally an E7. These will take you through the entire song. Most of these play 1 bar of the rhythm per chord, with the odd ones at the end of sequences playing 2 bars. We're going to set this up by playing the verse and chorus slowed down so you can see what's going on. A tip, we change chord or we make the transition on the up strum. Down, 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 up, lift the fingers, move to the next chord ready for beat 1 of the next bar. This happens all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the verse. You can see the transition from the E7 to the G breaks form slightly. So we're going to look at that separately. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That takes us nicely into the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is all you ever play, it works. It supports the song and it's solid. For the song structure, we have the intro, which is half of the verse. Then we've got verse, chorus, bridge, which is the verse chords. Then we've got another verse. Then we've got a double chorus to end. Enjoy singing along. That's the I learned this 20 minutes ago version. Now let's create the, oh, you play guitar version. We have 5 short melodic licks or runs that really give this song personality. None of them are incredibly difficult, but they tap into different techniques that can really develop your guitar playing skills, and together they make a big difference. I've given each one a name because if we're gonna add spice, we need to label the rack. Number 1 is Pinky Sus. It lives in the verse and it's a chord embellishment for the E sus4. We are in the E chord shape. We are picking the middle 2 strings. Down, up. Hammer the pinky finger on to create E sus4, and then up pick the open B string. That is the I know what I'm doing finger, and it makes a huge difference to the intentional nature of this chord change. Number 2 is the G walkdown. It transitions us from the end of the verses nicely into the choruses. We're in a G chord at the end of the verse. We then play the D string, bring the 3rd finger, play 3rd fret D, down, and then up on the B, G, D strings. We do that twice. Then we bring middle finger to 2nd fret D, do the same thing there, open, take the finger off, in situ, slowly, there's a different motion, but it doesn't break the groove. It piques our interest, so we know something's coming, and it really helps the build. Number 3 is the major run. It's a brief melodic descent using the C major scale, and it lifts us back into the chorus. This happens after the first line of the chorus. It's a descending C major scale, 1st fret, index finger B string, take the finger off, open B, middle finger 2nd fret G, take the finger off, open G, ring finger 3rd fret D, middle finger 2nd fret D, open D, 3rd fret A string, alternate picking, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, slow play through in context. It's not flashy, but it adds a bit of something, doesn't it? Number 4 is the bass groove. This one's a head nodder. Down, up, 3rd fret E, open A, 3rd fret A, up, down, up, open at A, 3rd fret G. That ends the 2nd line of the chorus. Number 5, the D minor pick. This creates a tonal shift and it winds us down ready from the chorus up here back into the more melancholic verse. This one adds a hint of colour, not dramatic, just enough. We have a D minor chord and we play down, up, D, G, B, E. We then change to the middle 2 strings with the index finger 1st fret G, middle finger 2nd fret D, and repeat the picking pattern. That is essentially the middle 2 strings of an E major chord, and that takes us nicely back into the A minor of the verse. So looking at that in situ, slow down. We're going to stitch it all together now, slower than the song, so try and play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you want to start something new, and it's breaking my heart that you're leaving. Now we'll take the speed of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking me heart that you're leaving. Maybe I'm leaving, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you have a lot of nice things to wear. Same chords, same groove, totally different vibe. What a song. What a pleasure to play. This song is a perfect reminder that simple doesn't mean basic. Open chords can have personality, and one groove can carry an entire song. The difference isn't complexity, it's intention. Now you're all warmed up, check out this song on Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Awesome hammer-ons, super intro, lots of fun to play. I will see you next time.